Managing a cargo logistic fleet is a high-stakes balancing act. Fleet operations face constant challenge, securing sensitive driver details, coordinating cargo weight limits, verifying insurance and vehicle certificates, and tracking operational cost in real time. Introducing transit operation, an enterprise-grade fleet management solution transitioning seamlessly between dark and light mode. Transit operation is designed for 24/7 operating environment from bright office to low light cabins. Let's explore its architecture and security model. Transit operation enforces a strict zero knowledge privacy model. Sensitive driver data like license and contact numbers is encrypted client side in the browser using 256-bit AES GCM via the Web Crypto API. The database only stores ciphertext, so driver PII stays secure even if the database is compromised. Our vehicle registry features advanced search, status filters, and dynamic sorting by mileage or acquisition cost. The interface is fully responsive, collapsing into an off-canvas navigation drawer on mobile and tablet devices for seamless use on the road. Here is an example of different responsive interface for different type of users. For regulatory compliance, transit operations includes vehicle document management. Operation teams can attach and audit key compliance certificates like insurance, PUC, permits with real-time expiry warnings that alert managers before vehicle hit the road. Now we will jump to role-based operation walkthrough. Here is Fleet Manager. Let's log in as the fleet manager. Fleet managers hold full administrative permission. They can register vehicles, upload compliance documents, add drivers, and oversee fuel and repair clocks. Because the decryption key is derived locally in the memory from their login credential, they see driver contact numbers and licenses fully decrypted in their browser. They can draft, dispatch, and complete delivery trips while monitoring ROI charts. Here are some ROI charts and fuel expansions that the fleet manager can look above. Now we'll jump to driver, the operator on the road. Here the password is encrypted using hashing. So let's log in as a driver role. Drivers can manage dispatches and log fuel entries or expense like tolls from their routes. Here we can add the tool, other any drivers overnight parking fees, and we can add log fuel receipts. Everything can be added using, and there are multiple number of drivers using their vehicles that can be seen here. So the which vehicle has used it can be shown up here. Trip management, drivers management is cannot be done by it, but it can be seen. Next is a safety officer. Let's log into safety officer first. So our last two rules cover compliance and accounting. The safety officer manages compliance and can suspend drivers with low safety scores and audits. The activity monitor a complete log of all system events. Here, the drivers can be suspended using every by their any safety score. If we can face the safety score, as you can see, the David Miller driver is suspended because his safety score is low. Now let's log into financial term of user. Here is the financial user which is operating the transition for finance related work. You, finally, the financial analyst access read-only operational cost reports and vehicle ROI charts to monitor fuel margins and optimize fleet profitability. We can export the CSV files and look it up to it as how many types of different spends are been there in the future. With a robust fast API operating oriented programming backend, client side zero knowledge encryption, document tracking, and responsive layout design, Transit Operation delivers a secure, compliant, and highly transparent fleet environment. The complete code base, PostgreSQL, database creation, scripts, mock seeding, and unit tests are fully documented in the README. Thank you for watching.